Have fun making swing. Five DIY swing sets. Swings have customarily taken on a basic plan since 500 BC. This plan comprising chunks of wood attached to a tree. This plan has since developed and turns out to be more intricate. Swings are presently refined structures highlighting multi-seat choices, slides, and even smaller than expected yards. Why not make your own DIY swing set? While there are many swing models available, you could abstain from burning through a huge number of dollars on introducing an extravagant swing set in the terrace and rather manufacture your own. This sets aside cash, however, it likewise gives you an alternative to taking into account your family's requirements. And needs. This can likewise be an amazing venture for a delightful end of the week went through the home with the children. The accompanying thoughts will give you the alternative to either make a couple of swings for the children or go all out with a whole terrace play area. Hanging in trees. If you have a tree in your patio and can get to some pieces of wood and a long rope, at that point you could take on simple DIY, which has a similar plan as that of early swings. It only includes hanging a seat from a tree appendage. If you don't have a tough tree or yard, you could make this swing inside. Flying high. For families that affectionately outline swings, you can add a uniquely crafted plain seat alongside an extra layer of paint to the swing. Although this arrangement may seem to scare, it is a lot simpler once you build, and it keeps to a spending plan for $50. The stunt in this task is envisioning how all the pieces meet up prior to beginning development. Staying posted. Another wonderful but straightforward swing set plan takes on the essential swing structure, which uses 2 bits of timber as an afterthought and one on the top. You can overhaul this plan by adding a couple of additional pieces with the end goal that you copy a pergola. You could likewise use Trex, an enduring composite deck material, to make the swing seats. The Perfect Playhouse. For the children that adoration it customizes them outside spaces, you can make a play royal residence that includes an underlying swing set. You can develop this structure with no preparation and afterwards add last little details, for example, pads, open-air seating, and even a footrest for youngsters to unwind after a long evening spent playing. On the off chance that you as of now have a current playhouse, this structure is reasonable, if you have a post that can uphold the swing set spar.